and he is talking about two ministers being involved. I want to tell Manohar Parrikar, the defense minister, the Raksha Mantri, stop lowering a level. Chief Minister Asthana, you have lowered your level enough. As a defense minister, keep the name of the country a little higher. Goa, we have got the Chief Minister Parsekar, who yesterday he made a statement that I will call for a CBI probe. Today he says CID, and yesterday I made a statement that I hope that the Chief Minister Parsekar doesn't make a U-turn. And rightfully today he has made a U-turn. Aaj Mudabala CBI on CID datta. We are here to tell the government that we are in no position, we are in no way going to bow down, that there should be a probe. आणि प्रोब जायनी आणि होरें ट्रूथ भायर सोडनी कित्याक इतली स्कॅम जालें. मनोहर पर्रीकर हेज नो रायट. इतली स्कॅम जालें ते एक स्कॅमाचेर तेणें एक पर्यंत हें दिलें ना, डिसिजन जालें ना टील टुडे. सो फुडली स्कॅमाक आनी ताका रायट ना. At the same time, there are all other Louis Berger has been given other contracts also, other consultancy also. Soglancher जावपा जाय. So if there is a scam, there should be a logical end to the scam. The present government at the state and at the center is a BJP government. It's my open challenge to them. Take it to its logical end. Let the people of Goa know. You can't keep fooling the people of Goa for too long. At least before the 2017 elections, take it to its logical end.
So Mr. Manohar Parrikar needs to be probed in this issue, because he has been talking as if he has got foot and mouth disease. It is the same Manohar Parrikar who has released almost 14 crores to the same firm for consultancy projects. आता जेन्ना consultancy project report दिता एका प्रोजेक्टा बद्दल, डिपेंडिंग ऑन दॅट टेंडर फ्लोट जाता. सो ह्या कंपनीन कितले प्रोजेक्ट केले सरकार येतकच ते सुद्धा प्रोब जातले म्हणून मुख्यमंत्री पार्सेकरान आज सकाळी CNN हायवेनाचेर म्हाज्या बरोबर जेन्ना तो लायव्ह आशिल्लो त्या वेळाचेर सांगलो की ह्या कंपनीक जितले कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट मेळ्ळ्यात आज पर्यंत गोंयान सगळ्यात प्रोब जातले म्हणून. लेट ऑल बी प्रोब, इन्क्लुडींग आवर टायम्स अँड नाव ऑल्सो.